Have you ever met someone who always seems calm, curious, and able to solve problems? Many people think they were simply born smart. But is that really true? What if high IQ is not only about intelligence, but also about daily habits? Small actions repeated every day can help people think more clearly, learn faster, and make better decisions. In today's English listening practice, I will share 6 simple habits that many highly intelligent people have. The language is slow and easy to understand, so you can improve your English while learning something useful. Let's begin. Hello, everyone. My name is David, and today I want to talk about 6 habits that many high IQ people practice every day. The first habit is they stay curious. High IQ people do not pretend they know everything. Instead, they ask questions. They enjoy learning about the world. If they see something new, they want to understand it. For example, if they hear about a new invention, they ask, "How does it work?" If they visit a new city, they want to know its history. They read books, watch documentaries, and listen carefully to other people. Curiosity keeps the brain active. Every new fact becomes another piece of knowledge. You can practice this habit too. Every day, ask one new question. Search for the answer. Learning becomes exciting when you stay curious. The second habit is they listen more than they speak. Many people think smart people always have something to say. But in reality, intelligent people often spend more time listening. When someone is talking, they pay attention. They do not interrupt. They try to understand different opinions before giving their own. Listening helps them learn new ideas and avoid mistakes. The next time you have a conversation, try listening carefully before you answer. You may discover something new. The third habit is they enjoy reading. Books are like conversations with great minds. Reading teaches new words, new ideas, and different ways of thinking. High IQ people often read about many topics, not only the things they already know. One week they might read about science. The next week they may read history, psychology, or travel. Reading improves memory, vocabulary, and imagination. You do not need to read for hours. Even 15 or 20 minutes every day can make a big difference over time. The fourth habit is they think before reacting. Life is full of surprises. Sometimes people say something rude. Sometimes problems appear without warning. Instead of reacting immediately, intelligent people pause. They take a deep breath. They think about the situation. Then they choose the best response. This small pause helps them make better decisions and avoid unnecessary arguments. The next time you feel angry or upset, count slowly to 5 before speaking. That simple habit can change many situations. The fifth habit is they learn from mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. Nobody is perfect. The difference is that high IQ people do not stay upset for a long time. They ask themselves, "What can I learn from this?" If they fail an exam, they study differently. If they make a bad decision, they understand why it happened. Every mistake becomes a lesson instead of a reason to quit. Successful people are not successful because they never fail. They are successful because they never stop learning. The sixth habit is they protect their time. Time is one of the most valuable things in life. Highly intelligent people know they cannot do everything. They choose their priorities carefully. They spend less time scrolling endlessly on their phones and more time learning, creating, exercising, or resting. They understand that every hour is an opportunity. Even small improvements each day become big results after months and years. Ask yourself one simple question every morning. What is the most important thing I should do today? Focus on that task first. Now let's quickly review the 6 habits. Number 1, stay curious. Number 2, listen more than you speak. Number 3, read every day. Number 4, think before reacting. Number 5, learn from mistakes. Number 6, protect your time. None of these habits require special talent. Anyone can start today. You do not need a high IQ to build these habits. In fact, these habits may help you become a better thinker, a better learner, and a better version of yourself. Remember, intelligence grows little by little. Every question you ask, Every page you read, every mistake you learn from, and every minute you use wisely helps your mind become stronger. The best investment you can make is investing in yourself. Thank you so much for listening and practicing English with me today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English listening practice. Leave a comment below and tell me, which of these 6 habits will you start today? Writing your answer in English is great practice, and I'd love to read your comments. If this lesson helped you, please share it with a friend or family member who is learning English. Together, we can improve our English one lesson at a time. Keep listening, keep learning, keep believing in yourself, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.